Hi, boys and girls. Get your sound boxes ready. Something to write with. Because today we're going to talk about one of the families that has the ah sound in the middle. Remember, ah is the sound that short O makes. O says ah and O. Usually when it's in a CVC word, it says ah. The family we're going to work on today is the op family. So I'm going to put O in my middle box and P for P in my last box. So now I've got op. And I'm going to change the first sound to make some different words. Here we go. The first letter that we're going to use to make a word is B. Straight line, then a circle. B, op, bop. Do you know what it means to bop? This is kind of like a bop, where you're like bouncing your body a little bit. Or you can bop somebody on the head. It's kind of like a little pat. Bop. Erase your B and do the next sound, which is K. C, K. K, op, cop. Cop is another word for a police officer. Cop. The cop was here to help. Erase your K and write the next sound. Tall line and then a hump for small h. Op, hop. I can hop on 1 foot, or I can hop on 2 feet. There's different ways to hop. Different animals hop. All right, next one. Erase and write ul. Straight line. Ul, op, lop. Does anybody know what that means? To lop is kind of how you hit something. Like if you hit a tennis ball way up in the air, that's a big lop. Erase ul and put in op, mop. Mop is something we use to clean the floor. Mop. Erase and put in the next sound, which is p. Now our first sound and our last sound are the same. P, op, pop. I can think of a couple different ways to use this in the sentence, like I want a drink of pop. That's something we drink. You might call your dad or your grandpa Pop, so it could be a name, or it could be like an action, like the top popped off. Erase P. Put in S. Now our new word is sop, sop. That's kind of like really wet. Like if you're sopping wet, wet. We've gotten so much rain lately. Everything is sopping wet. Erase and put in T. This is our last word in the op family. T, op, top. Like top on a marker, top of your head, top. All right, so let's talk about all the words in the op family that we practiced. Bop, cop, hop, lop, mop, pop, sop, top. They all rhyme because they all end with op, even though the beginning sound is different. Keep practicing, everybody. See you soon.